Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today I am unboxing the Wicked makeup collab with Rem Beauty by Ariana Grande. I am so excited. I grew up with Wicked. It was my favorite musical. It's the musical I have seen the most amount of times live. It's my absolute favorite. I am very excited to take a look at this collection and just see what it's all about. I just have a special love for Galinda and Elphaba. I love them both so much, so the fact that this whole collection kind of encompasses both of them together is so exciting, and I cannot wait to open it. So without further ado, let's get Wicked. I get so scared every time I open a box like that I'm gonna like cut something inside, which actually has happened before. So yeah. Oh my gosh, just seeing the Rem Beauty on the inside is like kind of fun. And I haven't really used Rem Beauty much, but when I saw the Wicked collab, it was like a couple days maybe after Ariana had posted a video about it, I finally saw the video on YouTube and I was just like, add to cart. Like I couldn't not get it. I was like, Wicked has been a part of my life for so long and I am so looking forward to the movie. And I was just like, if there's any collection that I'm going to get this year makeup wise, because I don't wear makeup often enough to have like every collection, you know what I mean? I can't justify spending that much money on makeup because I don't wear it enough. But when I saw this collection, all of the makeup inside, I was like, that's the kind of makeup I love to play with. Like I miss the old kind of YouTube beauty days, which some people still do it and I watch them. I have quite a few people that like put makeup on YouTube and that's kind of like what their niche is and stuff. And I love their videos. So I still love that content and I know people still make it, but I will say it was like more common. I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 years ago. I feel like people were doing more like get ready with me's on YouTube and I love those. Old school YouTube is the best. So anyways, I am definitely going to do a get ready with me using all of the, well, as much as I can for a single makeup look. Definitely going to do at least one get ready with me using this makeup. Honestly, I might just play with it throughout the rest of the year too and just make some videos with that. Like I just want to have fun with it. And this seemed like the perfect collaboration / entire collection to really have some fun with. So I'm so excited. Oh, whoa. The packaging is just so fire. I am so stoked for these. I cannot wait to use these under eye masks when Ariana used under eye masks. So I bought some under eye masks. No, because I love an under eye mask. I think it just feels like literally, even if the mask is doing absolutely nothing, like, because I have no idea. I feel like a lot of times I'll put a mask on or something and I don't know if it's doing anything, but I'm like, well, it's fun to wear though. Like it feels good on the skin. So that's how I feel about these. Ugh, I'm so excited about them. And I know she said in her video, her makeup artist noticed a difference after using these. The packaging is really nice, I feel like. I am not going to try one of these on right now, but like I said, there will be another upcoming video where I try out as much as I possibly can, because I just mean like, obviously I can't use an entire eyeshadow palette at once. So that's what I mean by I'll use as much as I possibly can. So the under eye mask, which I am so excited to try out. I'm literally gonna cry. Like I just am so excited about this. Like it's just so fun when you really feel excitement about a product because it's also related to something that you have so much feeling and emotion towards. Like there's something about it that just, it makes the experience feel so much fuller and just, I don't know, more fun. So anyways, I could go on and on, but this is the Galinda Glow Drops, which I am very excited to try. They're a glow enhancing serum with crystal-like pigments, which is so cool, inspired by Galinda's Bubble, to be used alone or mixed with complexion product. Apply 1 pump after moisturizer to get lasting. Okay, so it's like a good base. That I love that. This feels heavy, and I love when makeup feels heavy because I don't know, it could be, you know, a psychological thing and it doesn't actually mean it's better quality, but to me it feels like that makes it better quality. So this is the Oz Dust eyeshadow palette. I love that it looks like a book. Like this is everything. I am that person that sometimes if the packaging is like just so cute, I will literally, like I will open this, take it out of, if I can get it out. What in the world? It is really in there, which is great because that means that it should all be intact. But when packaging is so cute and if the inside doesn't match the outside, sometimes I will keep like this outside packaging and literally put it away every time just because I like the way it looks. This is so nice. This is so, I wish I had fake nails on right now so I could like ASMR it, but this is so cute. Stop it. It even has like a little, it looks like a bookmark almost. The like little black thing. That is so absolutely gorgeous. absolutely freaking gorgeous. And I love that it gives, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I love that it gives like ideas that you can use, because not all of us are makeup gurus, and sometimes like you buy a palette and you have absolutely no idea what to do with it, which for me, if that happens, I usually just, you know, go on YouTube and look up other people that have given ideas of what to do. You guys, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna show a close-up of this, but look at that top pink shade. Darlingest. Look at that pink shade. Like, that is so cool. Like, it just looks so cool. And there's a mirror. Hey girl. So I can do my makeup in it. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, I just love that it looks like a book. I just love that because I'm such a book girl. I love a good book. So this just feels so fun and so nice. Oh my gosh. I can't get over the way it feels, you guys. Like, it feels so high quality and nice. And I'm a sucker for packaging. I will say, like, I do buy things based on packaging a lot of the time. And I'm not saying it's a good thing by any means, but I'm just telling you the truth. The Galinda makeup set. It includes 4 full-size products. So it has a Midnight Shadow liquid eyeshadow, Eclipse blush and lipstick in the shade She's So Good, and the On Your Collar metallic lipstick in You've Been Galindified. And then it also has At the Borderline kohl eyeliner pencil in the shade Scandalacious. I love that. Okay, take a look inside. I know the packaging doesn't really matter in the long scheme of things because, like, you're just gonna throw it away, but is this not so cute? Like, just the way it's put together is so nice. We have our eyeliner pencil. I cannot wait to play with this makeup. This, like, light blue shade. I don't know if you guys can see. So pretty. I can't wait to do something with that. I don't know exactly what I would do, but I cannot wait to, like, play around with that. Like, there's this part of me that wants to get rid of all my other makeup and, like, only use this makeup. And I'm like, girl, don't do that. I'm gonna do it. No, I'm not gonna do it. I freaking love this. I love this packaging. Like, this is just, it's so cute. Like, it's so freaking adorable and cute. I just love it. Shade. Oh, and it has REM inside of it. I feel like this is gonna be a nice, like, kind of darker. Oh, that's cool. There's like a magnetic aspect. Watch. It like clicks. That's so funny. I've never seen that before. I love this though. You've Been Galindified. I can't wait. I think maybe I'll do a get ready with me using like all of Galinda's stuff and really taking Galinda as my makeup inspiration. And then maybe I'll do one for Elphaba. That sounds so fun. I'm so excited. Okay, I can already tell that this is the She's So Good blush and lipstick. Look at that pink. Like, from far away, you can even tell. That is gorgeous. Is that not freaking gorgeous? I don't know why I just smelled it. It doesn't smell like anything, but it just looks so pretty. I thought it might smell like something. This doesn't have the magnetic, but it does have a click in, which is nice because sometimes with lipsticks like this, I have had that happen where they like dry out because there's not really a good way to know if it clicked all the way or like if it closed all the way. But anyways, and then I believe this is the It's Good to See Me, isn't it? Liquid eyeshadow. Oh, I think it's a twist. Okay, got it. Ooh. Oh, okay. It was not coming out. I was like, what in the world? Sorry, my nails are so disgusting. I can't stop biting them for some reason. So this eyeshadow will be really fun to do a Galinda look with. I am so excited. You guys, I can't say it enough. Like, it feels like when you're a kid and, you know, I don't know, you love Barbie or Bratz or something like that. And I don't know, some product comes out that's like based on that. And so you just get so excited. Like, it feels like I'm a kid again. I'm just so happy. Tulip Field Lip Stain. That's what it is a tulip lip stain, but the color of this one is totally cosmopolitan. I love that. This packaging is so cute. And I like the applicator brush too. I will say a part of me thought it was about to fall apart, but it didn't. It doesn't really have any smell, in my opinion. Not that I thought it would. But again, I do like that the packaging is very like click, you know it's tied, or you know it's tight. Tulip Field Lip Stain in the shade Made in Oz. Okay, it says Made in Oz. Okay, so kind of same packaging here. Not kind of. It is the exact same packaging, but oh, that dark red. That dark red. I love that. This would be a great Elphaba for the, yeah, lip stain for Elphaba. Look. I can't wait. I can't wait. Then we have the shade Munchkin Musk. And this one's like a red. I love that there's like a little slit, if you guys can see, where it kind of shows the color off, which is nice because if you're in a rush or whatever, you can kind of see like what the color is instead of having to read it, you know? Oh, this bright red is so nice. I can't wait to play with all of my new makeup the Galinda way. Oh, who do you guys think I would be better at playing, Galinda or Elphaba? Because I swear when I was growing up, I always wanted to be Elphaba because she had my favorite songs to sing. But as I've gotten older, I feel like I am Galinda. Like personality wise, I feel like people would cast me as Galinda rather than Elphaba. And also comment below, who do you identify with more, Elphaba or Galinda? Or just who's your favorite between the two if you've ever seen Wicked the musical. So this is the Elphaba palette. Let's open her up. So we already did the Galinda one. So this is basically, I think, the same stuff. Yes, the same stuff, but it's the Elphaba version. So with Galinda, we had like a light blue eyeliner. And this one, I think, is a dark, that would make sense, is that it's a dark green. Not your basic witch. That's what it's called. But yeah, I think it's like a dark green, which is really cool and would be perfect for an Elphaba look, obviously. And I love that with this collection because it is like Elphaba and Galinda. It's not all the same colors and stuff like that. Like it is very contrasting, I guess, but I feel like you could also, that would be really cool. Okay, maybe I will do a get ready with me and we'll do an Elphaba inspired. We'll do a Galinda inspired, and then maybe we'll do one where we mix both together. It's like For Good, the song. Love that song. Also, what's your favorite song from Wicked? So my favorite song to hear, I think, is possibly No Good Deed Goes Unpunished. I absolutely love that song. Honestly, probably No Good Deed. I think that's my top favorite song. But I also love listening to, I mean, Defying Gravity is a classic, but also For Good. Like, I think those are my top three. Magic Unleashed Liquid Eyeshadow. It's like a dark green. Me trying to be a beauty guru and like show you guys the product. Oh, squeaky little thing. Very cute packaging. 100% like they outdid themselves with the packaging in my opinion. I don't know why the Elphaba ones are like really squeaky. It's kind of funny because the Galinda ones weren't like that. This is the Elphaba like blush and lip color. And it's in the shade Destined to Fly. Black is this year's pink. Ooh, and it's a lipstick. And I think it's like a dark green, but almost black. This would be so fun for an Elphaba look. And you know what I'm really excited about as well is that I already have my plans to go see Wicked in theaters. I'm not going to go when it comes out because that, I don't know, I just don't want to be in a big crowd of people when I see this movie. Like, it's so important to me that I want it to be when hopefully the hype has died a little bit and like everyone's already seen it and it isn't as crowded. So I am planning to see it in December. I'm not going to tell you when, it'll be a surprise, but I'm planning to vlog that day of going and everything. So that should be very fun. And obviously I'm going to need to do some kind of Elphaba or Galinda makeup look for that. So look forward to that. And I'll give you guys my review of the movie. I'm so excited. Okay, I think this is the last item. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I think this and the, honestly, the under eye things were like two of the things I was so interested about. Like I was like, what is this? Okay, this is the packaging. Sorry, I already took it out. I'm just getting ahead of myself. This is the, I love this. It's so Galinda. It's like sparkly. So it's a, what is it called? So it's So Popular is the name of it. And it's a pH adaptive lip oil. So I'm so excited to try that out. I have tried pH adaptive lip things before and I've always loved them. Like every time I try one, I'm like, I love this. Like this is such a nice product. So I'm so excited to try that out. But okay, you guys, that was it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys all of the cute little Wicked makeup things I got from Rem Beauty by Ariana Grande. I don't know if that's how you have to say it, but like whatever. Yeah, okay, please comment below anything you want to about Wicked or about the Wicked makeup collection. What are you most excited about with the upcoming movie? Like, which songs are you most excited to see? I think the song I'm most excited to see is literally all of them. I can't pick one. Like, I love all of the songs in Wicked so much. It used to be the album that I played. Like, that was the only musical theater album that I would actually, like, listen to the entire album all the way through. And there were no skips. And I would listen to it just all the time. It was one of my favorite albums. Like, I can't wait. And I can't wait for the album for the movie to come out. I think Ariana's gonna kill it. I think she is gonna do so good. I cannot wait wait. Everyone's voices that I've heard and all of the little leaks on TikTok of all the little teasers of the songs, everyone sounds so freaking amazing. I cannot wait. I am just so excited. Let me know in the comments if you guys are also excited, and let me know if you guys are gonna go see it in theaters or if you're gonna wait until it comes out on streaming services maybe. I don't really know what it's gonna come out on, but yeah. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I love everything that came in this collection. I couldn't be happier. I'm so excited, you guys. I need to settle down. But yeah, so look forward to some get ready with me's. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.